Hey, you want to turn now to our series, GMA Helping Heroes. A group of women in Idaho Falls saw that our healthcare heroes weren't being celebrated as much as they were in the early days of the pandemic. So they had an idea, sending them a hug in a cup. Originally, it was just $5 for a cup of coffee, sent with an encouraging note on Venmo. Then it grew, and they started delivering those hydro flasks filled with gift cards and notes of love and appreciation from friends, bringing them a much-needed smile. The motto has become the Hug in a Cup initiative is we see you and we thank you. And two of the founders who are sending that message, Candace Jones and Jenna Johnson, join us both live now. Ladies, thank you so much for being here. And I understand both of your husbands actually work in healthcare, so they could help you with some information to find out exactly what it is healthcare workers would like to see these days. Maybe just a little note from friends or family. So what is it you all found out that healthcare workers really appreciate right now?
Well, my husband is a doctor at the hospital here locally, and we just saw a need to recognize healthcare workers, let them know they're still being seen and that they're appreciated. And I actually asked my husband, I said, if you were to get a gift from someone, what would you appreciate? And he said, honestly, a hydro flask or something to keep my drink cold. We don't get a lot of breaks during the day to get, something to eat or to drink. So just to know that my drink is waiting for me cold when we get a little dehydrated on our shifts, that would be a treat. And so that's where this idea kind of came about, to fill cups with hugs, gift cards from local businesses that are either donated or that were purchased through donations that given to us. And
it's amazing just the little things that could help out like that. What have you all noticed? What made you all think and feel that healthcare workers aren't being appreciated as much now as maybe in the very beginning?
I think initially everybody jumps at the chance to help with things. And I think right now we're seeing the COVID burnout with everybody. And so they've kind of fallen to the back burner a little bit. And we have seen with our husbands that right now is actually when they have had to put in the most time, the most hours. And the community, it's not that they're negligent, they're feeling the COVID burnout also. And so this was something that we were able to do to rally the community together. And it's been awesome to see everybody come together to support the healthcare workers locally. And they've been so appreciative of it.
This is personal for both of you in a lot of ways. I know both of you had COVID. You're sitting there together because you're in each other's pods, in the same pod, right, essentially. So you all have been hanging throughout this, but you both had COVID. And people want to know, how can they help? Tell them specifically how they can actually get involved and put a message in a cup and send a thank you.
So we are accepting nominations right now locally, but we are planning to expand it to other areas. So they can email us a nomination of someone who needs their morale boosted or just needs to be recognized, and let them know that we see them. And we are printing off those nominations and delivering the cups with our logo on them to that healthcare professional. And this is not just for doctors and nurses. We're including anyone in any healthcare facility. We want everyone to be recognized because we know that every job right now is important in this whole process to against COVID-19.
Well, Candace and Jenna, thank you so much for what you're doing. Thank you for spending some time with us. But it shows us that just a little note and a cup of coffee can make all the difference in somebody's day. So thanks so much for what you're doing. Enjoy your holiday. And we want everybody to know you can find out more about the Hug in a Cup initiative on our website. And we want to have you guys keep spreading that love out there. Show it by using hashtag GMA Helping Heroes. We certainly appreciate it. Thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.